Hello. I hope your day is good. We're going to do a ride along, and I thank you for being with me. I always love when you're with me. I appreciate it. And let me see if I'm getting this just right for you. Okay, that don't look too bad. I hope you can't really tell a lot with the sunshine here, but hopefully it's good. Let's see. Maybe that's a little better. Hope so. Okay. And here we go. I'm on 62. It's an absolutely fantastic day. And looks right now like it's 94 degrees here in Kentucky. This is just out of Georgetown. I'm not sure if I have filmed a ride along through here, since, maybe weather when the trees weren't this green, but of course this is getting toward late summer. This is August, Isn't it beautiful? Look at that tobacco over on there, the right. That's an amazing patch. Beautiful stuff, though. Bad for you, but beautiful. I love that barn out there. Look at that. Today, instead of taking the interstate, I'm going to just keep rolling on 62 for a little way. And luckily I have I have a little over half tank of gas, so if I get a little turned around out here, and I might, but if I don't, you'll see a little bit different scenery than I usually do for you. So we're on 62 West. It's a little hazy today, not too bad. This is beautiful Kentucky landscaping. It's something so nice. So I hope your day is great. It's a beautiful Sunday, and my son took me out to, it was either a late lunch or a late breakfast. So if you're ever at First Watch, they have one in Georgetown, and I had their granola bowl with fresh fruit. It had fresh pineapple and grapes and blueberries, I think, and granola and a sweet cream Greek yogurt. I think it was Greek yogurt. I know it was yogurt, sweet cream yogurt. I think is what they said. It was really good, and their coffee is great too. You'll like that if you're ever at that. You're at the First Watch. Try that. kind of like uphill and down. Look at those horses over there. You got to see that. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. Wow. So nice. Let's see, I think I'm going this way. Don't know my way, you know. Just guessing, so, you know. Like I said, person can turn. Oh, yeah, I'm good. 62 West. Absolutely. How about me? You know, I'm the person that my late husband said I couldn't find my way out of a paper bag. Among a few other things, you know. Like, I'm like a possum. I wake up in a new world every day. I'm kind of like that. I think he said that because I used to wake up with an excitement for every day. I'm getting more of that back now, I think. But, yeah. I'm not good with directions, is what he meant by can't find my way out of a paper bag. I'm not, as far as driving goes, I'm not great with that, but you know, GPS is a beautiful thing. It's just a beautiful thing, and so I like that. It's helped me out more than a few times. So isn't it gorgeous down through here? Just love it. Beautiful. It's so hot today, though. The temperature has dropped now to 91 degrees, but still, that's hot. Kentucky hot summer. Did you see those hay bales over there? You know what? I should, you know, have swung the camera around a little bit and let you see it, because I think it was brand new bales of hay. But this is nice too. It's really nice. Might not exactly have my camera centered, but I think it's okay. I've been through here before with different family members, you know, and I'd taken some pictures. Somewhere along the way here in this general area, I think, we came along one day and there was, somebody had some animals out there that was different. I think they had like llamas and I don't know, different animals right by the fence. It was really kind of cool. I took pictures then, but I just, you know, I did it with my cell phone, and at the time, it's been several years ago, and the little phone I had was probably a flip phone, and it didn't take, you know, that great a picture, so they didn't turn out as good. This area right here, I know where I'm at. You know, I'll come through here, stop off sometimes, you know, and either get gas or get something there at the McDonald's, and do that, and then back on the interstate, but we're not getting on the interstate today. And soon, I'm not going to today, but soon, we're going to turn off there Midway and take you past some areas there, you know, it's into Versailles, but not today. And like I said, I love having you with me. I like to think about that. And I appreciate every traveler that's riding along with me. Every one of you. I appreciate you. And thank you. And for all my subscribers, you know, I appreciate you. Somebody's tobacco over there is, look at that. See, they're already harvesting some of it. You see that? Look. And some of it, of course, not ready, not quite ready, probably. Love that beautiful corn over there. And there's soybeans, too. I didn't turn the camera around in time. Maybe you can see it over on the left. I love Kentucky farmland, you know, because, you know, they're feeding people, and that's a beautiful thing. When they raise beef and chicken, pork, you know, and corn and soybeans, crops, the tobacco, in a way, not upholding tobacco, but in a way that it feeds people too, because the people who do that, they are able to buy for their families with the money they make. Isn't this beautiful through here? Just absolutely beautiful. Love it. What it is it's peaceful. You know, it's just really peaceful. Just told me that we're looking at the weather, the temperature ramping up even more, so that we're looking for a few straight days of 95-degree weather, which our heat index will be bad if we don't get, you know, some good rain out of it. And I don't know if they're giving for that. I don't think so, which is going to be bad. Love it. Now there's a different colored farm fence. Did you notice that? I should have thought to show you that, but it's not your typical white or black. I'm not sure if I've seen gray or not, but that's kind of like a brown, sort of I think I've seen kind of like a red brown or something. It's a little different. And I'm still partial to the black. I like it better than white. Not to criticize anybody that has a white fence. That's fine. But you just think about the black. It just blends so beautifully with the landscape, and it doesn't. See there? See how good that is? And it doesn't hurt your vision. I mean, you know, it's if you have eyes that are a little sensitive to bright, you know, then that's the way to go. When I lived in Shelbyville, my late husband and I, we had some black farm fence around half of our property. It was on the road frontage, and it was on one side that went up that divided us, between us and a little farm-like area next to us. But the other two sides was, you know, one of them was, it was like the metal fence that has like the blocks or whatever, and it divided us, you know, between us and our neighbor's nice house. And then the other side was us and the subdivision next to us, which was a very expensive subdivision, very nice homes in there. And but I just loved the farm fence. I just love that, you know. So we are getting back into Frankfort at the moment. This is just a different way to bring you along, you know, and probably gone up through here with you before, but today's a different day, right? A different day. So back up to 92 now, so whew, what a hot day. A very hot day. Feels hot in this car. I'm like, I can't wait to get home and get in the air conditioning at home. At least the sun won't be shining in on me like it is in this car, right? And I'll be glad for that. So this is where I'm going to let you go right at the moment, and hopefully I will greet you again in another ride-along or a cooking video. Be sure to watch all of my videos, and if you like them, give them a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for riding along with Sharon. I appreciate you.